In this video, I'm going to show you how to view open trades on MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your toolbox. So go to the top left, click on View, and then click on Toolbox. Alternatively, you could also use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+T on your keyboard. Then from here, you can see there's going to be your toolbox at the bottom of your screen, and you have a bunch of different tabs. To view your open trades, you want to click on the Trade button, which is the first tab, and there we go. Here you can find all your open trades. Now, if you, of course, have like a pending order or something similar, it's going to show down here at the very bottom. So if I go and create a new order over here, which is going to just be like a limit order, I'm going to click on buy. There we go. As you can see, it's going to go to the bottom. Now, right now, it actually filled right away, so I couldn't show you. Let me actually attempt this again over here. So limit, and we're going to do like a random price of 5K. There we go. And I'm going to click on sell, and there we go. As you can see, it's now here at the bottom, which is the placed order. And yeah, that's how to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.